Hi everybody, I'm Tiffany with Quilt Quarters, and we just have 4 seats left for our upcoming Cuddle Up with BERNINA event that's happening next weekend, September 26th and 27th. And this Cuddle Up event is being run by our educator, Lisa Luke, and she is an expert Shannon Cuddle ambassador, and she has partnered up with BERNINA to run this class with the awesome BERNINA L890 and L860 sergers. They're air thread, they are amazing, they have guided mode. You don't even have to crack a book to learn how to thread it and do quick changes with your stitching. So it is just a wonderful, wonderful 2-day event we're so looking forward to. So it is hands-on. You will be completing 3 projects. You'll be completing an infinity scarf, a throw, and also a pillow. And if you haven't ever worked with Shannon Cuddle, or you've been a little bit intimidated by it, because it's a different fabric to work with, this is perfect timing for you to try it out. And it's a 2 bonus situation, because you'll get to learn how to work with Shannon, and you'll also get a chance to play and stitch hands-on with a BERNINA air serger and cover stitch machine. So this is a 2-day event. It is happening next weekend, September 26th and 27th. It is an all-day event. Lunch is provided, and we only have 4 seats left. So kits will be provided, and we are so excited about doing these projects and getting you a chance to work on these machines and with Shannon Cuddle. So call and secure your seat. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.